What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Maggie and me here, and Jade behind the camera. But the video that you're going to watch is a little bit different. We really got spooked out, and it wasn't from nothing paranormal. It was just weird noises that we could keep hearing around us, and it could have been animals, a person in the woods. I don't know. But I just don't want y'all to think that we're running from paranormal stuff, because it wasn't paranormal.
Yeah, we pulled up and there was just a bunch of really weird noises. We kept hearing like banging sounds that most of them you couldn't hear on the audio for some reason, but we promised that they were there and they were loud. Yeah. And it was really like freaking us out. And it just sounded like there was something around us, whether it was a person or an animal, I don't know. But it was...
Yeah, it could have been an animal,
yeah.
I mean, honestly. But whatever banging, that was definitely like a person, I would say.
Yeah.
And then it did sound like a gunshot towards the end of the video. So,
which is why we decided to go.
Yeah, we left pretty quick. So that was Friday. Today's Sunday, so we came back just to kind of do a recap of what happened. But while we're here, there are like 2 people down there walking, so I guess we'll do a little spirit box session up here. Looks like they're just doing some exercises. It might live pretty close by.
But yeah, we're just hoping to see if we can find out what that noise was, get a good spirit box session in, because we couldn't the last time.
We didn't get to use it at all.
No.
We had it set up, we were going to use it, but that's when we just kept hearing strange noises.
So, it really sounded like things were getting closer to us, too.
It really
It
did.
did.
It's crazy. So, hold on.
So we got our steps in, because we kind of took off and ran.
So we got this light. We put some new batteries in it because it was very not working very good at all.
And this one also completely stopped working, so we got some more lights in this one as well. So
hopefully this will go better and we won't hear any scary gunshots or anything in the woods.
Alright, let's get to it.
Alright.
Alright.
Where do you want to set? Did it get bright into that? No.
Alright, right now we are preparing to go into this local cemetery. We're just getting everything together with our equipment. Hopefully we're going to get some good activity tonight. Here's a view of some of the church windows. It's kind of super dark out here, so yep, hopefully we capture some good stuff.
Are you recording?
How do I turn it on?
It is on.
How do I turn it on?
It is on.
Bonding
Oh.
session.
How did I do it?
I guess it was already on, I don't know.
Okay. Oh, why is there a red light? It's my third eye. We brought a ball to use tonight because there's a lot of children's grave sites right over here in the old part of the cemetery that we're at. So hopefully we can get it to move, maybe even get a kid saying ball, you know, the color red, something like that. Hopefully we get some good stuff. There's a very long table.
No. Is it dead? Oh no.
Yeah, I just heard something.
What?
To the left.
To the left.
No, I'm not kidding. Did you hear it?
Yeah?
Yeah?
What was
It
that?
was a banging.
Oh god.
Does it sound like gunshots?
No?
There it was again.
It's like a I think it's frogs.
Yeah, I keep hearing it.
Oh, wait a minute. Is that eye? Oh god, there's something.
What?
Is that eyes down there? You see it? It's like right above that little bush, but it's towards the back. Like going down toward the pond area. I think it's moving.
Oh god, I see it. I see it. Here, let's just keep our eye on it, but I don't think that's where the noise is coming from.
Can't really see it on camera though.
doesn't look like it's moving anymore. It could be one of those solar things that they put out here.
Could be.
Yeah, look. Shine it away. Oh, look, see?
You still see it?
Yeah, it's still lighting up.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
All right. Okay.
What?
I thought I heard something like breathe in my ear.
It was like,
Yeah.
dude, I heard it too.
I did too. It was over here.
Oh, yeah, what is that?
I thought I heard something like breathe in my ear.
It was like,
Yeah.
dude, I heard it too. Like,
I did too. It was over here.
Oh, yeah, what is happening?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay,
All right, guys, we're hearing a lot of strange noises. We just got
I'm
here.
really
I've
not.
been here so many times and I've never, I mean, I live here. Hold on.
Yeah, we're at a local graveyard, not far from the house at all.
Hello?
Oh my gosh,
What?
my camera went so blurry.
Oh, jeez, okay.
I really don't feel good.
Hello? Did you hear it?
Something's coming from that
Sounds
direction.
all around, man. Crazy.
Coming
Gosh,
from
man,
that
there's sounds all around, man. It's crazy.
Hello? I swear, I just saw something. Dude, I'm scared. Yeah.
It wasn't like this last time we were here.
That was closer than that noise.
It's coming from the right now.
Hello? Anybody out here? Car.
What is that?
It kind of sounds like those big old frogs, you know, the bullfrogs.
Yeah.
They're loud.
This thing just like went off crazy.
What the?
This.
It did?
Yeah, it went like completely red.
It wasn't because of this?
No, it was like here, and this thing doesn't set it off. I don't know.
Are you okay? You okay?
Yeah, it just feels really
What's up, everybody? We're here at a local graveyard tonight. And already hearing weird noises as soon as we walked up. It's very strange.
I really heard somebody breathe in our ear.
I did too.
Yeah, they heard somebody breathing back here. Like it right in, one in your ear, Maggie?
Yeah. Like this ear right here.
Yeah.
I can still feel it. It's like ringing.
This light is really bad.
I think there's a car.
Well, let's see if we can make our way down here.
Alright. Are you okay? Are you okay, seriously?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What's wrong?
I just feel really like weak in the ear since that like whisper thing happened in my ear.
Is this you?
It's really strange. Like, we never feel this uneasy being at this graveyard. Usually we're
I've
very,
never felt this way before here.
yeah. Normally we're really comfortable here, but not tonight. It just don't. It just something don't feel right. There's a hole right there. A little dip. Yeah, the stars are nice tonight. Okay guys, this is the old side of the graveyard. A lot of these are slate rocks. They don't even have names on them. Okay, this is the tombstone that we had the man kept saying leave.
Yeah.
All right, see if this is at Sarah Snyder's grave. Oh man, look at the little ants.
Oh.
They're working hard, man. Might be standing in them. Feels like there's just something watching us at the edge of the woods.
Yeah.
Hello, is there anyone here with us? Can you see us?
You got a ball right here. You want to roll it towards us just to let us know that you're here with us?
Uh-huh.
It sounds like someone's walking over here. Can you tell me your name?
We have a device right here. If you can light it up to let us know that you're here with us. Yeah, light up a red looking color and then make a noise. Did you make it light up for me? Where's the K2 at? Oh, you got it, okay.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
I don't know, but it sounded scary.
What was it?
It sounded like an animal of some sort.
Oh,
That was a
that's
gun.
growling. Do you hear growling?
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know, but it sounded scary.
What was it?
It sounded like an animal of some sort.
Oh,
That was a
that's growling. Do you hear growling?
Yeah.
Growling?
It's getting closer.
Sounds like somebody hitting something to me. I don't know what though, because I mean, there's just 109 on the other side.
Keep going. I don't like not saying it. You're blind to me.
Just trying to get you in the shot.
Oh.
Hello? Your mom? I must left the other flashlight in the car. Thought I had it on me. Wish I could find that other flashlight, the one that actually shines for pretty good distance.
Where we go?
I don't know.
Do you hear that?
What?
Something over there.
Over here?
Yeah, it sounds like a screeching or a laugh.
A laugh?
Oh, there's something back here. I heard it.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Oh. Yo, my thing's going off in my pocket. My thing's going off in my pocket.
What thing? Okay, good. That's good. Oh, what the hell is that? It seemed like a purple light.
What?
Something over there.
Over here?
Yeah, it sounds like a screeching or a laugh.
A laugh? What?
Something back here. I heard it.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Yo, my thing's going off in my pocket. My thing's going off in my pocket.
No, no, no.
Oh, it's still beeping. Why is it beeping more? Oh, jeez. It stopped. Ah. Ah.
Did you go in the pocket?
Yeah. But that's not it.
That was going on in your pocket?
You know, yeah, it was right here.
Yeah.
And it started going off in my shirt pocket while I was running.
I guess from the vibration.
I don't know, because when I stopped it did it again.
Oh. That's crazy.
What'd you see or hear?
Car.
What'd you
Or
see?
no, it's not. I didn't see nothing, but I heard something like in the woods, and it sounded close. I don't know. It was just like something like breaking the leaves, something walking or something.
Oh, you hear it?
Oh yeah. Holy crap! Is there somebody here with us? Could you make it go off again? Just get close to it and it'll go off.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Weird. Like somebody's working or something.
Did you hear that?
Yeah,
What is that?
I don't know. But
What?
it's in the clothes.
Somebody back there?
I don't.
Oh shit. Go.
What was that?
That was a gunshot.
Holy jeez, what? Like was it really loud a gunshot? It sounded like
Yeah.
somebody went, oh, to me.
I don't know. It's loud.
It sounded like somebody went, oh. You have to check?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Let's shine this light. Yeah, I have this out here too. What?
I swear I just see somebody standing there.
Are you serious? What? What are you gonna pull?
I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God. I swear it's like, ooh, like, what? Wait, he says.
Oh, there's my flashlight. It's in my back pocket. That's a good one, too.
Why do we do this? Holy crap. How are you? Oh my god.
Oh,
What the flash?
it was my fault. Oh
so-
no, I don't feel good.
Oh, me either. I feel like drained. What in the world just happened?
I don't know.
We've
man.
always
That
went
was
there, but there were some
terrifying.
weird things happening.
Yeah, I'll get this. Oh, there it is. Square bug. I didn't even get to use it.
Okay, let's turn these off.
You want to go somewhere else?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Do you want to go
Oh,
somewhere?
I don't know.
Y'all wanna come
I don't know how to turn
Yeah,
this off.
maybe